Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you have not done so already, make sure to subscribe to our channel PowerLearn so that you don't miss any of our future science experiment videos. Today's experiment is super fun and brief and will definitely have any child's mind blown. So let's get started. For this experiment, you need either a small cardboard box, or if you don't have one, you can follow along with the other option that we're going to use in today's video. For the alternate option, you need some tape, scissors, and a piece of construction paper cut in a square. And regardless of the option you use, you need 3 matches or 2 matches and a lighter. To begin with, if you don't have the cardboard box, take the black piece of paper and fold it as shown in the video. After you've folded it, cut the 4 tiny squares that you've made in the corners. After all the squares are cut, take some tape and connect each of the 2 sides of the square that you cut out together. Now you've made a box. Take a safety pin and poke a little hole right in the middle of the box. If you have a cardboard box, then do the same thing, and after you've poked a hole with a safety pin, put the match inside the hole. Take another match and lean it across the side so that the 2 heads are connecting. Then take your lighter or match and light right in the center of the leaning match. Once it catches on fire, you can take the lighter or match away and watch what happens. Please make sure that an adult is the one lighting the fire for you and that you are not doing it yourself. How it works is that when you light up the center of the leaning match, the bottom of the match is quickly burned. Because of this, the weight of the match becomes minimal. After the fire spreads to both of the heads of the matches fuse together because both of the heads have lit up, and because the weight of the leaning match has become so light, it rises and looks as though it is levitating. So that concludes today's experiment. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. Please subscribe to our channel PowerLearn so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you next time.